we invest in future of manufacturing. Future of manufacturing for us is 3 segments. Okay. The first segment is verticalized B2B SaaS. For example, Marketing, a startup from our portfolio, they solve the problem of reskilling, upskilling of blue collars. The problem was that factory has a global overview, but you don't have a precise view. So they begin with planning. So the head of staff can do the planning. This guy will work from this day and just check the box of, for example, the machine that he can manage. So this information can go up to the HR, and the HR can do the reskilling plan. So you can do a transfer of knowledge and upgrade of knowledge in the shop floor. So basically it's an HR problem, a software that solves it. The other part that we invest in is B2B platform. For example, we invest in a company, maybe you know them, called Tesla. Full Speed Automation.
Yeah, Full Speed Automation.
Yeah, but the founder is a former Tesla.
From Tesla, exactly. Luc Leroy, yeah.
Absolutely. And basically they solve the problem that in the shop floor you have all kind of machines with all kind of brands. So if you want to do a deep automation, you need to code in the language of each machine. Yeah. So Luc, the problem that he solved is that he created a layer that you put on top of the machine. You just have the instruction that you can put once, and then you can do the deep automation. You can say, if my Siemens machine does A, my ABB machine will do B, for example.
Really interesting. Yeah.
And so it's a platform play because you are on top, you are on control of all the
with
machines.
With low or no code, yeah.
And the third segment that we invest in is sustainable manufacturing. Mm-hmm. So it's kind of regenerative manufacturing. So we invest in a company called Mobian. The CEO is a former CEO of Allo Resto, the delivery food company. Yeah. And when he was CEO of Allo Resto, he saw that there were a lot of problems with delivery guys because they always break their scooters. So he had an idea to create scooter with a lifetime superior to what you can find in the market. So he created 200 prototypes. He gave it to delivery guys, and each time the guys broke it, he re-engineered it.
Okay.
To the 7th generation of scooter, but now he has a scooter with a lifetime not superior to what you can find in the market.
Wow, because he learned from the experience.
Exactly.
Yeah, from the user. Really interesting. So quite diverse, actually, portfolio in manufacturing.
Yeah.
Covering a lot of different topics.
Yeah, we try to cover and to build software and to invest in software that can cover all spectrum of manufacturing.